Well, credit card issuance growth rate for the month of August on a month-on-month basis has declined, and this decline has come for the first time in last 14 months. HDFC Bank continued to gain market share in spends. The reclassification from RBI led to card issuance numbers being down, especially for the likes of HDFC Bank and Axis Bank. Now, credit card issuance on a month-on-month basis has declined for the first time in last 14 months, down about close to 2.8% month-on-month. So, there is an RBI ruling to not classify those cards which are inactive in terms of 12 months or more, so in total number of cards. Hence, primarily, it looks like it has taken a toll on some of the players. So, card issuance on a month-on-month basis was strong for the likes of DBS India, Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, AU Small Finance Bank and IDFC First Bank, while it was weak for the likes of Canara Bank, Axis Bank, SDFC Bank, Bank of America, Bank of India as well as Yes Bank. Overall spends for the industry have declined by 3% month-on-month. Spends per card, however, have declined by just 0.2% month-on-month, and it remains below May average by about close to 2.5 to 2.6%. Let's take a look how the market share in terms of spends have moved over the last 6 months. So, in spends, HDFC Bank has gained market share in last 6 months, while SBI card has arrested the declining trend for the first time in last 6 months. ICICI Bank has lost massive market share over here by almost 228 basis points month-on-month. So, top 4 have seen their market share in spends decline from 74.5% that they had in April 2022 to right now about 73.3% that they saw in August 2022. Market share loss in spends over the last 6 months is seen for the likes of SBI cards, ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank. Highest market share gain in spends over the last 6 months is seen for the likes of HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank as well as Bank of Baroda. So, market share movement for HDFC Bank, it continues to remain the leader over here with a market share of close to 28-29%, and HDFC Bank has been able to gain massively in terms of market share over the last few months. This followed by Axis Bank as well as Bank of Baroda. However, on a declining trend, we have seen market share loss for the likes of SBI card, ICICI Bank as well as IndusInd Bank in terms of market share in spends. So, the outlook in credit card business is that the decline in average spends that continues to be a cause of worry, but it can pick up in the coming months owing to the festive season that we will witness. So, RBI has also asked banks to reclassify the number of cards and remove the non-active cards or the cards which have not been active for 12 months. This has had its impact on some of the players like HDFC Bank, Canara Bank and Axis Bank. Card issuances can decline for some in the next couple of months due to this RBI diktat. HDFC Bank is gaining massively in spends market share over the last few months. With festive season coming up, we can expect spends for the industry as a whole to increase from current levels.